Welcome to Hands-On Statistical Predictive Modeling, a video course by PAC Publishing. In this video, I'm going to provide a course overview. But before I do that, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Jesus Salcedo, and I have a PhD in psychometrics from Fordham University. I am an independent statistical and data mining consultant, and I have been analyzing data for over 20 years. I am a former SPSS curriculum team lead and senior education specialist, and I have written numerous SPSS training courses and trained thousands of users. Predicting future trends can be the difference between profit and loss for competitive enterprises. Most businesses state that poor data quality leads to bad decision making. The predictive analytic market is expected to grow by 22% by 2020. As this technology hits the mainstream, now is the time to consider which predictive modeling techniques will produce the best results for your organization. Hands-on statistical predictive modeling gives you everything you need to bring the power of statistical predictive models into your statistical or data mining work. However, without the right predictive modeling techniques, analytic projects are unlikely to provide actionable insights. This course will show you how these core algorithms underpin the accuracy and relevance of statistical results and drive competitive differentiation. You will be able to anticipate customer behavior and take actions to cultivate customer loyalty and capture greater wallet share. You will not only be aware of the data science forces shaping your future economy, but also how best to use and seize these coming opportunities. By the end of this course, you will be able to elevate the analytics know-how throughout your company to enhance its decision-making skills, cost efficiency, and profitability. You will also be able to put these skills to use in your upcoming statistical and data mining projects. The first section of this course focuses on the purpose and the characteristics of predictive modeling and then provides examples. The second section concentrates on linear regression. The focus will be on understanding and illustrating the basic concepts and models. From there, students will learn more about advanced options and model variations so that linear regression is used appropriately and efficiently. The third section will focus on logistic regression. Many of the same concepts illustrated with linear regression will apply to logistic regression, so here the focus will be on aspects unique to predicting categorical outcomes. The fourth and final section discusses discriminant analysis. This technique views data from a very different perspective than either linear or logistic regression, so readers will learn how to take advantage of this opportunity. If you are a statistical or data mining professional who wants to add statistical predictive modeling to your skill set, then this is the ideal course for you. Basic statistical knowledge would be helpful, and if you've taken an introductory statistics course, that would certainly be extremely useful. Now, with that out of the way, let's get started with this hands-on course for statistical predictive modeling.